All right, folk. Here with help for the end times again, and he just bought himself a folding shovel. So we're gonna check this out and see how it. Gonna do the unboxing here and see how it is.
Now, keep in mind this is just a Walmart shovel, $10, but Ozark Trail. And no, I'm not endorsing anything, nor am I asking for a cup of coffee on PayPal. But let's do the
Come on, no e-begging?
No, yeah. I don't do that.
Right.
The truth is always for free.
There you go.
So let's unbox this and keep it in good shape just in case I need to return it, because it's definitely not military grade.
Right.
As my friend said. Okay.
Oh, man.
This is, I'm sure this is how to.
Hey, take it easy.
All right, y'all. Is it only this big? No, it's not big.
I gotta get some more Miracle, bro. Alright, get that discount.
Yeah, there's got to be a way to make that more sturdy, right? Is there?
I usually don't. Oh, it is this small, actually.
Right.
So, let's see, sturdiness.
Is there a way to tighten it or something? I mean,
There is bolts on it.
Right.
But it shouldn't be. I thought this.
that's what I was thinking. Like
Oh,
that
yeah.
doesn't slow. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
I was gonna say that's weird, man. That's
Okay. So this tightens it up.
uh-huh.
There we go.
Oh, and the handle. So that does the shovel part and the handle
Yep.
tightens it up. All right,
So-
right on, right on.
Now that it's. Oh no! Made in China.
Oh, boo.
Right
Boo.
there, made in China.
Survival in America, made in China, right? Come on.
I
Ozark
mean,
Trail?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does
Really?
have
Chinese
the
Ozark
saw.
Trail?
Man.
It has the saw on there right here. Well, you know what? $10. Let's just see.
Let's see how it does.
You know that fucking dirt is hard as hell.
Yeah, it is.
Connecticut soil. Yeah.
Right.
It works.
Hey,
It works.
hey, that'll work. And not to mention, especially if you're stuck or something. That's
Well, not
dig
only
yourself
that,
out.
But I figured I could use this for putting little guerrilla vegetable gardens.
Oh,
like
right on.
Johnny Appleseed around.
Absolutely.
So, if the crap hits the fan, you know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Then we'll have fresh food.
Right.
Kale, green beans, you can go down the line.
Absolutely.
I got just about everything growing right now. So,
Right on. So,
just because it's made in China, I got to take off
oh yeah,
3 points just for that.
absolutely.
So, out of 10, I'm going to rate this. And the other thing is, it's not telescopic.
Right. How about is the handle metal or plastic or?
It's all metal.
Okay, all metal. All right,
The
all right,
whole thing
all right.
is
That's
metal.
good.
So that is a good thing. I'm sure it's. You can get a good look at it.
Right on. Yeah, let's get a close up. Let me take my sunglasses off so I can see
Now,
better. All right, so you can see the charade part here.
Yep.
All right, so you got it on
Now,
that edge
and you
that
can
edge.
also,
Oh, use it kind of like a hoe.
yeah.
All right, right on.
So you can even put it at an angle if you
Yep.
want, or you should be able to. Yep, you can angle it too.
Right on.
I think you can angle it all the way.
Yeah,
actually.
yeah, angle it down, and you got more like you said with the gardening, you got a hoe as well.
Yeah, look at that.
See, there you go.
Yep.
Yep.
So
All right, good stuff.
That's not bad. Well, you know what? Forget about the China thing, just because we always got to take points off for China.
Right.
No more made in Taiwan or Japan or,
Right.
or Cambodia.
Right. Right.
Oh, they don't even have that name anymore. It's
Right.
Kampuchea now. That's right. But anyway, I rate it as a 7 right now.
A 7. All right.
But for durability, I'm gonna have to wait until I use it a few times
Absolutely.
and make sure that this thing
See if
stands up to
he
the
can
test.
use it 2 or 3 times without something breaking on it.
Exactly.
Yep.
Exactly. So, that's
All right.
and now just put it away, tighten it up, and now this is it. Yep, it's supposed to fold down. Oh,
Got to loosen it, I bet. Yeah.
Yep.
Boom.
Yep. Gotta loosen it all the way.
Oh, there you go. Yep.
And then tighten it up. For the weight, it's not bad. We're
Right on.
talking maybe, I'd say about, let's give it the exact weight. They got the inches.
Well, full size, it says 23 inches.
I'm trying to think of
Right.
the pounds on here. Unfortunately, I don't have a scale on me.
Right. Let's show them the package here, too.
Yeah, does it have
So here you
anything?
go. This is the Ozark Trail folding shovel at Walmart. Right on.
Alright, guys. Back to the next video.
Alrighty. Always forward to the next adventure. Later, folk.
Later.